Okay, we got our lines all made for the forehead and around the eyes. The eyebrows are done. Eyelids are done. So we're gonna drill our holes for our eyes now. I'm gonna use a 5/8 inch to drill this part out here for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our tools here and we're going to open this up so our eyes are going to fit properly. We also have to take some out back in here so we can get the eyes to go down. We got about a good inch or so we have to go down on the inside so that will fit good. So you can't really see that, so we're going to do that and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.